Hi guys, good morning, good morning Philippines, good morning world. And once again, thank you for watching Manangan Ranch TV. So, I'm showing you the calmness of Mother Nature. The goodness of God is upon these creations. Truly, God is amazing. The green surrounding are very calming, relaxing, and removing all the stress of life. And that the noise of the chickens are really like a medicine in my ears. Uh, the breeze of the cold morning, the breeze of the wet morning here in the Philippines, and the sunshine uh, is really very good. So thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for subscribing and continue watching.